In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Today Pane in Mozilla Thunderbird. The Today Pane is a compact agenda view that keeps your schedule close at hand while you work through your email. It shows what's happening today and what's coming up so you can stay organized without switching to the full calendar every time. Start by opening Thunderbird on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the main application menu. Click it to open the menu, which gives you quick access to viewing options and layout controls. From that menu, choose View. This opens a set of choices that control what you see in the interface. Next, move to Layout. Layout is where Thunderbird lets you rearrange panels and toggle different sidebars. In Layout, click Show Today pane. When you do, a slim panel appears on the right side of Thunderbird. That's the Today pane. If you don't see it immediately, try widening the window or dragging the border of the pane to make it more visible. You can use the same view layout path to hide it again later if you want more space. The Today pane summarizes your current day and upcoming events pulled from the calendars you've connected to Thunderbird. It's designed for quick glances. You can read what's next without leaving your inbox. If you have a busy day, this becomes a handy checklist for timing and priorities. You can also add a new event directly from here. Look for the option to create or add an event in the pane. This lets you schedule something on the spot without opening the full calendar view. When the event window opens, type a clear title so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Add the location if it matters for travel or dialing in, and fill in other details that help you prepare, such as a short description. Double-check the start and end dates and times so the event lands in the right place on your schedule. If you use multiple calendars in Thunderbird, make sure the correct calendar is selected so it appears where you expect. You can set reminders to get a heads up before it starts, which is especially useful for meetings or deadlines. Once you finish entering details, the event appears in your Today pane and your calendar, giving you immediate confirmation that it's scheduled. That's all you need to keep the Today pane working for you. Turn it on, glance to stay on track, and add events as they come up, all without breaking your email flow.